You know about Rahul Gandhi?
No.
He speaks rubbish. Increase your IQ, please.
He's dumb. I'm sorry, but he's dumb. I would love to suicide rather than saying yes to this question.
I'm not a girl anymore. Leave me, please. Hello, मुंबई. मैं हूं मनीष और आज का हमारा सवाल होगा राहुल गांधी के ऊपर। राहुल गांधी इंडिया के यूथ लीडर हैं और एक एलिजिबल बैचलर भी। तो आइए देखते हैं लड़कियों की क्या राय है उनसे शादी के बारे में। Hi girls. Okay, what's your name?
Arya.
Arya, right. So Arya, you know about Rahul Gandhi?
Yes, of course.
अगर वो आपको सामने से आके प्रपोज करता है, then what will be your first reaction and why?
Of course not. I don't like that guy.
Why?
Because he isn't sure about anything. Like he speaks rubbish.
Your first reaction जब राहुल गांधी आपको सामने से आके प्रपोज करेंगे?
I'll ask him अपनी शक्ल देखी है क्या?
My first reaction will be, please Rahul Gandhi, first you grow up. अपनी मम्मी के पल्लू से बाहर निकलो and then you come to propose me.
अगर राहुल गांधी सामने से आपको प्रपोज करते हैं तो what will be your first reaction and why?
He's dumb. I'm sorry, but he's dumb. And I would obviously say no.
राहुल गांधी अगर आपको प्रपोज करते हैं कि what's your name?
यशवी.
Yashvi, I like you, I love you. So what will be your first reaction?
सबसे पहली बात, अगर ये मुझे प्रपोजल नरेंद्र मोदी से मिला था तो मैं एक बार में सोचूं भी।
नरेंद्र मोदी, मोदी जी, please watch it.
It's राहुल गांधी, no ways.
अगर राहुल गांधी आपको सामने से आके प्रपोज करते हैं, then what will be your first reaction and why?
I probably will, but never mind. Probably. I would love to die. I would love to suicide rather than saying yes to this question.
Why?
Because I don't know.
You don't find him cute?
Not at all.
बिल्कुल नहीं।
क्यों?
क्योंकि वो अपने देश के लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता तो हमारे लिए क्या करेगा?
Okay. अगर राहुल गांधी आपको प्रपोज करता है, then what will be your first reaction and what it would be?
No. N-O, no. Because I like men to have some brains. And Rahul, I'm sorry, but you don't have any.
So you don't find him cute?
There's a difference between being cute and being dumb. So.
अगर राहुल गांधी सब आपके सामने आता है और आपको प्रपोज करता है, then what would be your first reaction and why?
Maybe I'd say
क्यों? You don't find him cute?
no, not at all. He's just fair.
Okay, so
I laugh.
So अगर वो आपको सामने से आके प्रपोज करे तो आपको पहला रिएक्शन क्या होगा और क्यों? I'm not a girl anymore. Leave me, please. So अगर राहुल गांधी सामने से आके आपको प्रपोज करे तो आपको पहला रिएक्शन क्या होगा और क्यों होगा?
I mean, why Rahul
No,
Gandhi?
why him?
Why not?
No, not at all.
Reason?
Reason? Oh. There is no reason only.
Okay.
We are really not interested in Rahul Gandhi.
You don't find him cute?
No, not at all. He's become old.
He's too dumb.
So अगर राहुल गांधी सामने से आके आपको प्रपोज करे then what will be your first reaction and why?
Increase your IQ, please.
Okay. So according to you, what will be your first reaction?
Are you jobless?
Give me a high five. So वो आपको सामने से अगर प्रपोज करता है then what will be your first reaction about what it would be?
क्या बोलूँगी यार उसको? एक तो इतना बड़ा है, थोड़ी ना उसको हाँ बोलेगा कोई।
क्यों?
बेकार दिखता है।
Too old.
I know.
No, thank you. He's too old.
He's too old. That's why. You don't find him cute.
No.
So you know Rahul Gandhi?
Yes.
Okay. If वो अगर सामने से आपको प्रपोज करता है then what will be your first reaction and what it would be?
No.
Why?
Just no. I don't know. He looks too weird.
First handle the country and then come to us.
Okay.
That's like
पप्पू पास नहीं हुआ।
पप्पू कभी पास नहीं.
Obvious girl, पप्पू कभी पास नहीं होगा।
First
First
reaction.
I'll be shocked. Then I'll be like no,
Why?
because I don't want love marriage.
Rahul Gandhi propose. No. First reaction.
No,
Why?
because I don't find him good looking or I don't like his personality.
Rahul Gandhi.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
Easy, yeah.
He's young.
Yeah.
Okay. अभी आपने यहाँ पे देख चुके कि इंडिया की क्या ओपिनियन है राहुल गांधी के बारे में अगर वो प्रपोज करते हैं तो ठीक है. So नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में हम फिर से मिलेंगे नए क्वेश्चंस के साथ. बाय बाय. साइनिंग ऑफ.